Hey guys, Adrian here with Dickason Chevrolet Buick in Gladewater, Texas. And today we're going to talk about not really just the vehicle behind me, but the reason why your vehicle is not getting the most mile per gallon, especially on the winter time. Part of it has to do with the fact that you guys have remote start. So what happens is, obviously we all know how to work remote start. If you know, check out my other videos. So basically you remote start the vehicle to keep it warm, right? But also what it does is that the vehicle is running. I mean, I don't know if you guys know, but the vehicle's not moving, but it's still burning gas. What that does though is, as it just sits there not doing anything, you can't really go any miles because it's just basically not moving anywhere. So that's gonna deduct from your mile per hour, mile per gallon. I'm sorry. So you know, if you're not seeing much of a fuel consumption saving or seeing what they advertise for, is because your vehicle is burning gas as you remote starting this vehicle in the morning. If you do it for 15 minutes, I mean, if you start driving, your mile per gallon might not be as good as you think it would be. And it's simply because you left the vehicle on for 15 minutes while it was warming up, which now deducts for your mile per gallon while you drive in the city. So that was just something that I wanted to tell you. I know there's a lot of confusion about that, but that's the reason why. Is remote starting these vehicles. They're sitting there wasting gas, not going any miles at all because it's just sitting there. And when you start driving, your mile per gallon, it's not as good as you think it would. And I noticed that this morning because it was just giving, I was like, why am I getting 7 miles to the gallon? Well, is because it's not going anywhere when it's getting warmed up. So, all right, guys, if you have any questions, reach out to us. Our website is www.bdchevy.com. Thank you.